I'm starting with Repunit. Rep units. The meaning of rep units. Rep units means when we are using one, only once, not zero, not the binary one, right? This is called rep units, right? And we can say like we will get a very good questions based on this, right? With the basis. With the basis means first question, something like this. Prove that any in base 5 with an even number of digits is the product of two consecutive positive integers. Prove that any repunite with base 5 with an even number of digits is the product of two consecutive positive integers. Very simple question, but obviously, right, the new looking questions. So just go through this, right? You have to prove. So we have to go with 1 1 1 1 n times or 2 n times, something like that, right? Take your time. Question is clear now. This is a simple question, right? Let's start. Done anyone?
So 1 minute.
Okay. I'll request everyone, please switch on your camera. Rishabh, Pratyush, Shama, Tanay. Question is clear na? Shama, question is clear na beta? Okay na? Done. See, receive. Done ta?
सर एक आइडिया है छोटा सा, मैं
Very good.
उससे अप्लाई
Yes, tell me.
छोटा सा पैटर्न मुझे कुछ आई थिंक समझ आ रहा है.
Mm-hmm. Like even number of times, so you can take this as which try kiya can for the numbers 4 times. If we are taking this, means this is 1
1 plus 5 plus 25 plus 125, which should be equal to 150 plus 156.
156. Is this a number that's coming in product of 2?
12 into 13.
12 into
13.
Can I go for 6 digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 1 plus 5 square plus 5 cube plus 5 to the power 4 plus 5 to the power 5. Oh, that's not possible to count every time count the numbers, right?
So 1 1.
But if I'm going for the number 1 1 1 1 2 n times. Try on this now. This is number nothing but 1 plus 5 square up to 5 to the power 2n minus 1. Is this okay?
GP.
right? This is the GP series. Try this GP series now. Try now. Try this GP series now. Okay, what number you are getting from this GP series? This will be very simple. Believe me, this is very simple. मतलब you laugh कि अरे ये हुआ क्यों नहीं? This is the one of the simplest question. Just you have to write it down and just carry forward that. Just apply the formula. You remember the formula, na? Just apply this. So the formula for this is A r to the power number of terms minus 1 upon r minus 1. In this case, A is 1, 5 is the r. Total number of terms 0 to 2n minus 1 is 2n minus 1 upon 4. So this I can write 5 to the power n minus 1 by 2, 5 to the power n plus 1 by 2. These two numbers are coming. Can I say both the numbers are like for 12 ke liye, what I have to put? Like 2, if I'm putting 2, so 5 square is 25 minus 1, 24 by 2, 12. हाँ, तो रहा है. For 6 के लिए n will be 3, nahi? So can I prove this? This is 2 consecutive digits?
सर
Yes,
ऑलरेडी
sir.
डिवाइडेड बाय 2 है, सो अगर हम लोग का जो बीच में 2 डिफरेंस है तो डिवाइड बाय 2 में वो 1 डिफरेंस हो जाएगा.
Not bad. And mathematically?
Sir, I just realized all of the 5 to the power n minus 1 and 5 to the power n plus 1 would result in the consecutive even numbers also.
Nahi? For any n 5 to the power n minus 1 will be even only. So I'm getting 2 numbers. Nahi? Direct, na? These are called rep unite numbers, rep units. Now, repetition of the unity. And the bases are, obviously, we have already studied the bases. Right? So based on this only, I'm giving you one question on this rep unite is 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 2n times is equal to this again, you have to prove n times IOQM के लिए you have to believe these are the questions जो कभी भी आपके लिए काम कर जाएंगे.
सर इसका बेस क्या है सारे नंबर्स का?
Based on
10.
just a minute, एक मेरे को चार्ज लगाने इसमें ना, आप क्वेश्चन करो just again you have to go with the basic, right? At the GP series. It's a simple one. May I start? May I start?
So 1
So
second.
1 minute.
Okay.
So done.
Very good. Let's start. Start कर लें.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, okay. अगर हो जाए तो इससे अच्छी बात कुछ नहीं होगी. This is very simple question, but you have to use the GP formula on this. Rishabh, done. Pratyush, done. Pranay, Shivang, done beta. See,
Done.
done. See, for any of the number like 3 or 2 or something, right? What we have to write, this 2 if common out. So this is again Repunit number, and this is 9. This is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Repunit's number, right? Square of this. And what is the value of this? Just I have to count it down. 1 plus 10 square up to 10 to the power n minus 1. Right. And the second one will be the square of this. So 10 to the power n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1. 2 into plus 9 into 10 to the power n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1 the whole square. So this is 2 into 10 to the power n minus 1 by 9 plus 10 to the power n minus 1 the whole square by 9. So this is 9 and this is coming as 10 to the power 2n minus 2 plus 2 cancel out.
सर या फिर हम लोग 9 काट सकते हैं बिकॉज हम लोग का LHS में भी डिनोमिनेटर 9 है.
तो नहीं बेटा, मत
वो
कैंसिल.
प्रूफ करना है.
हाँ प्रूफ करना है तो मत कैंसिल करो उसे ना, कैंसिल करना मेरे लिए थोड़ा गड़बड़ जाएगा, उससे कहीं बेटर ये रहेगा कि मैं इससे ही ये लिख दूं, राइट। 10 to the power 2n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1, this is nothing but 1 1 1 1 1 1
2n times.
2n times, that's it. Is this okay? Right. Hey,
So I also did a bit similar, only I just took 2 to the left side
हाँ
and then I वो 9 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करके वैसे जाके मैंने फिर कर दिया, तो उसका स्क्वायर रूट आ जाता है।
not bad, not bad. See, okay, then a rational number written is base 8. The same number is written in base 12, right? First number जो given है वो AB dot CD है with a base 8 and that is equal to, right? BB dot BA given है with a base 12. Find the number. Question, right? The rational number is
Okay.
written with a
Second
base 8.
statement क्या है?
The rational number written is base 8. The same number is written in base 12 as this, right? The first number is AB dot CD. Point के बाद में CD लगा हुआ है with a base 8 that is equal to BB dot BA with a base 12, right? We have to find the number ABCD. Is this okay? Try this.
सिर्फ ABCD तो exactly क्या है?
ABCD, like ABCD is the digits given, right? So digits are given in the form of this.
सब वो डॉट मल्टीप्लिकेशन ही है, कुछ और भी है?
नहीं मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं बेटा,
डेसिमल
डेसिमल
डेसिमल पॉइंट जैसे 5.6 जो जैसा होता है।
ओके ना। So simple, but like obviously. Aditya.
Yes.
इसके पहले के क्वेश्चन है, यू हैव टू नोट डाउन बेटा, बट यहाँ से ही स्टार्ट कर लो आप अभी तो। रेप यूनाइट करके मैंने पढ़ाया है, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, थोड़ा देख लेना जरूर से। हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन, यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन ना?
Yes, sir. I'll read it and then understand.
May I start? AB dot CD with a base 8 is equal to BB dot BA with a base 12. You have to find them like A, B, C, D are the integers, right? You have to find all integers A, B, C, D. And do the number AB dot CD means this is 8 into A plus 8 to the power 0 into B plus C by 8 plus D by 8 square. And that must be equal to 12B plus 12 to the power 0 into B plus B by 12 plus A by 12. Simple. Yeah. Any confusion? But you have to find ABCD. Anyone? Anyone? Just a calculation, basic calculation. Okay. So what we are getting? Eight A plus 8B is equal to 13B. Something like this.
So 1B होगा ना?
This is 1B, right? So 8A is equal to 12B. So this will
So
be,
can we have more than one solution?
yes.
Okay, so 1 minute.
2A is equal to 3B. Now you have to find A, B, the values, possible values of A, B, C, D. What are the possible values you have? Just you have to compare the numbers. Aditya,
Yes, sir.
done. See, you have to find ABCD, na?
Yes.
Pratyush, Sivank, is this okay?
Yes.
Rama, is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Just you have to find possible values of AB now, na?
सर मैं एक सोल्यूशन दे सकता हूँ क्या?
भेजो पहले एक सॉल्यूशन. This 8 to the power 0, this is A and B now. This A is the 10th place number and B is the unit place number.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
So if I'm writing A as 8 into this is having the base 8. So 8A and this B is 8 to the power 0B. So this is 1. So
Yeah, sir.
A plus B, right?
8A plus
And
B is
for right
13B, so
side
8A
is
is equal to 12B.
12B
So
plus
we can just take like A 3 and B 2. So from that, then I took out C and D.
Okay. So right then for C and D, I can say if I'll compare, so C by 8 is equal to B by 12, right? And D by 8 square, something, right? This number is coming as A by 12 or something, right? So possible values. So obviously from this we can see A must be multiple of 3. A must be multiple of 3. So A is equal to 3, then B is equal to 2. Right? If A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2. So from this I can see, right, C and D as, right, I can write this as, so we have to take care of this. Am I getting this or not? So if I'm taking A is equal to 3, so D by 8 square is equal to 3 by 12. That's 1 by 4. So D is equal to 8 square. It's coming as 16. Is this possible? D is 16,
No, sir.
No, sir.
right? So this and
So I
for
think there are
this,
no solutions.
for this, if I'm getting C by 8 is equal to B by 12, right? So this B is the
Same
number,
is 48.
right? So B, if I'm getting 2, so C is equal to
C is equal to 4 by 3.
B, right? If I'm taking B as 2, right? Right, 8 by 6. So this is not coming as the integers, nah? So not possible for this number now. So go for the second one. So what is the second value possible for this? A is equal to 6,
And B is equal to 4.
right? If A is equal to 6, so obviously B is equal to 4, right?
So no solutions.
So again, I have to go for I have to see if the number after this C by 8 plus B by 8 square is equals to B by 12 plus A by 12 square. Something like this, right? So what are the possible values in this case? If I'm taking A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 4, D by 8 square is equal to B by 12. So B is 4, 4 by 12 plus A is 6 by 12 into 12. This is 3, this is 2. This is coming as 1 by 3 plus 1 by 24. 9 by 24. This is C by 8 plus D by 8 square. Is this okay? Is this okay? Right? We have to find value of C and D. Is this possible to find the value of C? अच्छा यहाँ तक के steps में पहले clear है. I'm not saying that this is directly equate this thing. It's not possible that one number is coming to the other number. That's not that we have to take as a sum. The after point the value will be different, right? That's the reason I am taking this as a sum of this after the decimal after the point. I'm getting the C by 8 and D by 8 by 8 square, and that number I'm comparing with B by 12 and A by 12 square. So if you'll see both the cases, you will get the answer. How? This is C by 8 plus D by 8 square is equal to 9 by 24. Is this possible to get the number? Yes, 100%. How we can get this? Yaad karo, last lecture mein we have done this. How to get C and D? So first multiply with 8. So C8 is equal to 9 by 3. That's 3. So C is equal to 3. Right. If C is equal to 3, right, what is the value of D? 0 in this case. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone? Right, same thing we have to do for the first solution also, right? When you'll see the first solution, then again we can compare both the numbers as what is the number you are getting. Just you have to say this. Note it down. First वाले को भी एक बार करके दिखाता हूँ. Right, we'll do the first one again. Note it down, everyone. Note it.
Sir, A6, B4, C3.
D0. Understand, everyone?
Yes.
Receive, is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Utkarsh,
Yes, sir.
So मुझे लगा non-zero.
Rishabh, Shama, is this okay? Sanjana,
Yes, sir.
I have to explain once again, or it's okay, everyone?
Understood, sir.
Okay. That's a good question, right? वो बेस वाले नंबर थोड़े से ही ऊपर नीचे करके like they will frame the question की and the calculation part, and the calculation part, right? So for the first result, again, if I have to go right, the same result I'll get, right? But I have to write down the number in place of C and D, right? 6, 3 and 2. 3 and 2. You have to write down A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2. One by 6 plus 1 by 48. 8 plus 1, 9 by 48. C by 8 plus D by 8 square is equal to 9 by 48. Multiplying by 8, C plus D by 8 is equal to right 3 by 2 is right. 3 by 2 is 1 by 2, right? 1 plus 1 by 2. So C is equal to 1. Now D by 8 is equal to 1 by 2 to D is equal to 4, right? So from this you are getting C and D as C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 4. And AB was 3, 2 जो भी आया था आपके पास. Okay. So, right, I hope you all understand this, right? Now, what type of question, like in the examination, what type of question they can ask, right? ये क्वेश्चन मेरे को बहुत प्यारा लगता है. 2019 with a base 10. 2019 with a base 10 is given. We have to write down what is the maximum, like we have to write down the maximum, the sum of the digits with the base 7. We have to convert this 2019 with base 7. And जो कन्वर्जन के बाद में जो भी नंबर्स आपके पास आएंगे तो उसमें से व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम द सम ऑफ द डिजिट यू विल गेट फ्रॉम दैट, राइट? टेक योर टाइम. व्हाट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट सम? मैं लिख दूं पूरा क्वेश्चन? राइट डाउन, आगे के लिए काम आएगा कभी रिवाइज करने के लिए. व्हाट इज द greatest possible sum of the digits in the base 7 representation of a positive integer less than 2019. Okay. Base 7 representation of a positive integer less than 2019. What is this 22 Patios?
Sir, I send my answer.
Six.
Sir, I also sent which number it corresponds.
Very good. Very good, Shivang. What is the number you are getting, Sivank? Write down. Two zero zero. The 208 is with the base 10. Now you are converting this to base 7. Twenty-one. Very good. Let's see. Very good. 2019. What you all are getting from 2019 base, right? It's a base 10. What number you are getting with 2019? You are getting with base 7. Approximately. Not 2019, 2018 or आजू बाजू कुछ भी. What number you all are getting for 2019? First, we have to find out now. Okay, what you have used? You said?
So first I've expanded ABCD, which is on base 7.
Mm-hmm.
So 2009
Largest.
equals,
Yeah.
equals 343A plus 49B plus 7C plus D. So D has to be 3, that is the only way. And then we'll subtract 3 from 2019 and repeat the same process till we get all the digits.
Okay, so what number you are getting for ABC?
So I'm writing in chat.
Sir, I use an easier way. I found out that 2019 base is 5613. So just go back to the numbers until you get that has larger
What
digits.
number you get for?
Sir, first the largest number, which is 2019, is 5613. So you must find the number which has the largest sum of digits, which is 5566.
Okay, 5613 with the base 7, right?
Yeah, that's the largest that it can go to
Largest
according
number.
to this.
And obviously we know that we can't change this greater than 6 number.
So
Sir, I
that's
got
why we have done
5610.
5566.
हाँ क्या अच्छा क्या
सर मुझे 5610 मिला.
5610. So okay, na 5610 or 56 something like this you are getting, right? And now we have to write down the number 5610 or 5613. You have to go with the lesser than this number, and you have to write down this number in such a way, you'll get the maximum sum. So we know that this can't go beyond 7, right? 7 or beyond 7, it can't go. So I have to use maximum 6. So for these two places, I can use 6, right? For these two places, I'm not able to use 6. So I have to use 5, right? This is the largest sum I can say until this number. Is this okay? Very good, everyone. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? This is the simplest way, right? Only I have to see okay, what is the largest number I'm getting into this, right? So directly I can go up to that number, right? Next, a 3-digit number XYZ with a base 7 system is written as ZYX with a base 9. Can we find out the number, possible numbers? Not bad. Go ahead. Go ahead. They can ask the largest number what you can find, or the lowest number what is the lowest number you can find, or anything. Just we have to get the idea exactly how we have to go. Very good, Prasid. Unique number? Good. Very good, Patius. Very good. Just simply we can see this. Yes, 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 Sanjana. Now get write down the try to get the value of y also. Very good.
Sir, I've sent.
It's with a base 7 or base 9.
So that's base 9, base 9.
Okay. Can I start? Done, everyone? So obviously, almost everyone. Aditya,
Sir,
Tama.
I'm getting an expression in XYZ.
Just now you have to conclude exactly how we can proceed from that.
Yes.
All XYZ, very good. XYZ must be less than 7.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to think if less than 7, so what are the possible values that will satisfy your conditions?
Yes.
Tanay, Sivang, what this I can write as 49x plus 7y plus z is equal to 81z plus 9y plus x. Right? Something like this. And xyz must be less than, so this will be 48x is equal to, this is 80z plus 2y. Right? 2 cancelling out, so I'm getting 24x is equal to 40z plus y. Right? Now, how we have to conclude this if x, y, z all are less than 7?
8 divides y.
Right? How we can conclude from this? A very simple question right now. How to conclude from this, right? Because the simple thing we are getting. But y is less than 7 now. X, Y, Z all are less than 7 now.
So y has to be 0.
Right. All the numbers are less than 7, and you are getting one factor of 8 from this, one factor of 8 from this. So obviously 8 is right. Any number is not possible from this, right? So you can put y is equal to 0. If y is 0, then this is 3x is equal to 50. And now we know that if x, y, z are less than 7, only the possible number will be, obviously this must not be 0. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Is this okay? Right? Okay, everyone? आदित्य कहाँ पर कंफ्यूज हुआ?
सर मैंने एक्चुअली y इक्वल्स टू 24x प्लस 40 सर लिख दिया गलती से, माइनस की जगह प्लस लिख दिया।
ओ नहीं, बट फिर भी उसके, अच्छा फिर तो नो सॉल्यूशन में चला जाएगा आई गेस।
हाँ
सॉल्यूशन ही पॉसिबल नहीं। ओके एंड ओके ओके एवरीवन।
यस
So these are simple question, right? Just we have to go for the calculation, right? The basic calculation, that's it. Right? ये एक और simple question just दे रहा हूँ कि like 123 base 5 is equal to x 8 का base y. Find x plus y. Possible value of x plus y. This is simple, right? This is simple. ये सबसे होना चाहिए without fail. Possible values of x plus y. Very good.
सर मैं ऑर्डर पेयर्स में आंसर लिख रही हूँ।
हाँ चलेगा। Very good. Very good, everyone. Done. Very good. थोड़ा सा केयरफुल होने वाली चीज है इसमें, राइट? यस यस उत्कर्ष, वेरी गुड। संजना, just you have to be careful, right? Writing the answer now, just when you are starting the when you have to write down the final answer now, just you have to see the question, right? Like in this 100% I can say this x must be less than y first, and second y must be greater than 8, right? These two conditions, right? These two conditions we have to just first consider, right? Very good, Tanay. Right. Then we have to go for the answer. And the answer writing is very simple, right? 5 square plus 2 into 5 plus 3, that must be equal to xy plus 8. Xy is equal to what you are getting? 30. Right? Then obviously we have to choose a number. और क्या-क्या numbers आ जाएंगे? 130, 215 and 310. That's it. Right? So these are the simple question, but obviously थोड़ा सा careful रहने हैं. ये एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन पे जा रहा हूँ, right? See, let n be the number of positive integers that are less than or equal to 2003 and whose base to representation has more ones than zeros. Right? More ones than zeros. So how many these type of numbers are possible? Question is clear? Beautiful question. बहुत simple but आराम से working करने के लिए, right? Take your time. मैं क्वेश्चन एक बार समझाऊं या all you all have the understanding exactly what question I asked. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take your time. If not getting for 2003, go for the smaller number. Think how you have to go for this. Then build the things exactly how I'll get the answer, right? थोड़ा सा और take your time. But you check once again. बहुत ही simple, elegant question. Just you have to make the planning for this, exactly how you have to go. May I start? Any idea, anything, just want to discuss, anyone?
Sir, no, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I thought that the 2047 is the biggest number with 11 digits in base 2 representation.
Okay,
And 47 to 2004 has a total of 44 numbers.
okay,
So that we won't be counting, and then we consider all the numbers till 2047 which have more ones than zero.
okay,
To find that, I picked one in first in the 11th place. Sorry, the first, yes, the 11th place, and then considered all the cases where ones are greater than zero. Then in the 10th place, and then ones are greater than zero. And I did this for all the numbers.
लास्ट वाला आवाज कट गया था बेटा, एक बार माइक के पास आके प्लीज अगेन.
Sir, in the end, I put first one in the 11th place and found all the cases where ones are greater than zeros. Then in the 10th place, I put 1, 11th place a 0, and then I found that same thing. Then in 9th place a 1, and this
Okay, not bad. Yes, Chrisim, what you are planning?
So basically, I'm thinking about creating a matrix, and then all the elements above the principal diagonal will be the desired elements.
Okay. Okay. You want to go with the Catalan path. You want to make this as a Catalan path. How many times the number of upper strokes are greater than the number of downward strokes? That's called the Catalan number.
Yes, sir.
The Catalan path is how many times you are going up is greater than you are going right or down or whatever it is. Okay, not bad. But you, Chrisip, both have to think how many times is possible that the number of ones and number of zeros both are same. If you are able to count those numbers, you'll reduce them because those numbers are not repeating. Other than the numbers that's evenly distributed, all the other numbers are coming twice. If I'm saying one time 5 ones and 3 zeros or something like that, right, is possible. So 100% second time will be there when number of zeros will be 5 times, number of 1 will be 3 times. Right. So just go for that. How many times you are getting both the numbers are same, number of zeros and number of ones are same. In this 111, what you have written, 11 to the power 11. Right, 1 0 0 0 zeros. Okay. I hope everyone is understanding this, what I'm saying. Just I'm saying that this number is obviously very good, 2 to the power 11, less than 2 to the power 11. 44 number, 44 na? 2003, and 44 numbers are right. So if I'll start with 0, so 0, 1, 1, 10, 1, 1, and so on. So this will go to 2 to the power 11 minus 1. Right, so this will be minus 1 for 2047. How many digits will be there for 2047? So
11.
how many digits are there in 2047?
11 digits.
Third I would be 12. Because 2 to the power 11 is 12 digits, minus 1 would be 12.
I guess we are getting 12 now. So this will be 1. This is 2 to the power 11. And less than this. So I have to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 11, right? But if you'll think for the 10-digit number, 8-digit number, 6-digit number, right? 6 and 4 and 2 and 0 is 0 only, right? So in these cases, I'm saying 5 ones and 5 zeros, right? You have to arrange this. So how many ways you can arrange this? 25. Right, this will be 10C4. Oh, sorry, 8C4. This will be 6C3, 4C2, 2C2, right?
So, but in this, there will be some cases where 0 is on the first place. So there will be numbers. So there will be cases where 0 is on the first place.
But this is, if you are saying this is a 10-digit number, this 10-digit number will be always less than that. 2047.
No, sir, I'm saying if we take 0 on the first place, then we'll get a 9-digit number which will have 4 zeros and 5 ones.
Every time you have to fix that once, right? So what I'll do now, I'll take complete numbers, right? I'm not saying I have to go for this. I'll take complete number and I'll divide that by 2. So that will reduce down my all the possibilities, all the numbers that are coming as like greater than or less than, right? So this question is your homework, right? You all have to try this, right? And then next lecture will go like just I'll give you the question on based on this, right? So base is, I guess you all are okay. I'll give you 5 questions only as a homework, right? But a good standard question, you have to go through that, right? And then we'll discuss for half an hour or something. Then we have to go for the quadratic residue. And I already I said I have to go with the number system once like we have to go as I'll brief you the complete number system in one lecture or 2 lecture, right? He will be able to solve that questions, right? So you have to make notes of it, right? So that this will be the last thing we are doing as a number system. Then after this, every time we have to go for the questions only, not the theory part for number system. Okay, everyone? Right?
Yes.
And from this coming week, we are starting like one more lecture for IMO, right? So everyone ready for that? Now to make
Yes, sir. So which day it will be?
I'll just send you this. I'll just the same process I'll do. I'll ask to each and everyone. See exactly.